Hi, today I'm going to show you how to repair the emitter on the Solaira SALPHAH2-40240G. Although I suspect that it's the same for their other models, which I have right here. For this little project, you're going to need pliers, a flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips or some kind of a multi-tool. So here's the replacement that I bought. They have it on Amazon. I included it in the description. Please note it is an Amazon affiliate link, so I will be getting a little bit of money from it. It's not much, but keeps me going with the channel. Either way, I removed most of the screws, so I'm going to be going fast, and don't hesitate to pause the video while I take it apart, just so you can catch up. So these are pretty easy to pop off. I already popped off most of them. All you got to do is really just kind of pull at the middle, and it should come right out. So you have to remove both in order to fix the unit. Okay, so this is the filament. I already replaced it. This is a brand new one. I have a spare right here, and I'm going to show you the steps you need to take in order to replace this thing. So first you're going to remove this screw. Once you get that out, this piece should come right out. Then you're going to do the same for this side, and right here. So all these pieces should come out. Now you're going to be left with the filament. Okay, so now the old, if you have an old broken one, if it's burned out, snapped in half, whatever it is, to pop it out, you just lift it right here. Just lift this little clip, retaining clip, and it pulls right out. Now I already have my unit installed, so I'm going to put this one right back, since I do not need to do that. You are going to run the new wiring probably in the same fashion that you had the old one, running back here to the back of the unit. So I'm going to flip it over now. Okay, and I already had all the screws removed here, so I'm just going to open it up. This is the only part where you are going to need the flathead screwdriver. So once you get all the connections to run back here from the emitter, you're going to be left with way too much, so you're going to take the plier and cut off this red part. I'll leave some slack so that you can maybe work on it again. Probably not. Most things are just break and throw out. Next, you're going to expose the white wiring. You're going to be left with nothing but the white wiring, and you're going to want this silver tip that you are going to put right into this, I don't know what to call this, maybe a, whatever you call this. You need a flathead for this part though. So all you got to do is loosen the screws right here, and the cable that you exposed should go right in. Okay, so that will be all for the video. This is the SALPHAH2-40240G. The replacement filament, the emitter, I will put a link in the description below, possibly right here. If you need different models, I'm sure most of them are the same instructional for how to do this. Thanks for watching, and comment if you need any questions. Thank you.